Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori in Wellington. I have a try-on haul for you today. So I should have a Dollar Tree haul, and I recorded a Dollar Tree haul, and then I put all the things away from the Dollar Tree haul, and then I deleted the Dollar Tree haul. I don't know why I did, and I couldn't find it. So you're getting a Marshall's try-on haul because I also went to Marshall's today. So if I have the picture, I can insert it. But I purged my closet because my clothes aren't really fitting very well. And I got rid of 3 IKEA bags full and a trash bag. So I needed to go shopping. I need some clothes that fit. More so I needed pants and some sweatshirts because it's still a little chilly here. So I've been taking my clothes on and off, trying on stuff. I got this sweater on clearance at Kohl's for $13. I do love a cardigan, and if it's a vintagey looking cardigan, all the better. Okay, but before I show you the clothing I got on clearance, this looks just fun. It is Copper Cow Coffee pour overs. It was $1. I gotta find out what if there's an expiration or something. But it's these coffees, and they're in their own little pour over filter, and you just put it over your cup and pour it in. And I've got trips coming up. I don't see a Best Buy date, so what does that mean? Best Buy. Oh, September 11th, and I go on vacation before that, and there are 5 in here. Tell me I'm not throwing these in my luggage for my trip to Canada. I hate these little thingies. I have to cut them out. My trip to Canada and my trip overseas. I know this is bad, but I'm doing it. I hate these things. I don't hang my sweaters. I fold them on a shelf because I don't like hanger bumps. I'll get those so the cats don't. Here's one. And here's the other. Yes, so we did that. I also got, so that was $1. On clearance for $3.50, just some cashews. And these are actually raw cashews. And I didn't know if I would like them, but I honestly do, because instead of tasting like salt, they taste sweet like the nut, and I liked it. They're really good, and you just need a little handful because they can be kind of high in carbohydrates, but a couple won't hurt you. So I grabbed some cashews, and then they had, I'm into the loose teas. This is mint peach. I think this would be really good as iced tea. And it's tea leaves. That is a lot of tea leaves. For $4.99. And you get 2.65 ounces. So that's pretty good. And it's just and I think it's decaffeinated, which means I can have it at bedtime. So I grabbed some tea. I didn't smell it yet. Guys, my allergies are killing me. But I did blow my nose this morning and cleared out my ears. I'm glad everybody wants to hear that. Okay, well, let's take that off. There's a lot involved here. Oh, that smells good. Yeah, the mint. I do love a mint tea. It has green tea, mint, rosebuds, blue medlow buds, and then mint flavor and peach flavor. So I got these. They also had a jar of hibiscus leaves, and I should have got it, but I'll get it the next time. In the summertime, I love iced hibiscus tea with a little lemon in it. It's really good. It's sort of like a Starbucks drink. So there's that. And then, because my pants all seem to fall off my butt because I don't have one, I got a 3-pack of belts. And let's all hope for the best. These are Klein. I don't know. Guys, look. There's a pink, there's a cream, and there's a brown. And that's what I need in my life. I need my pants to stay on. I am so tired of walking around hiking my pants up. And I got rid of a lot. And this is a size extra large. But I do a lot of pants hiking. Okay, now that was all of that. Let's get into the clothing I purchased. And here's the thing, like, I've never been this size in my life, and I know I'm not being a braggart, I promise. I don't know how to shop in the regular size clothing section. I've always my whole life had to buy plus size. And now I'm in like the regular section, and I don't even know what to do. I just walk around and I'm like, surely that's not my size. Well, it is. So I went into Marshall's, and I got this sweatshirt. It is a dupe of the Lululemon Scuba. It's even cropped, guys. Off the shoulder. Here, it is in a light gray. I will insert a video of me spinning around in it over here on the side somewhere. But it's a full zip, like, well, not a full zip, but a low zip. I will wear a tank top under it, and that will cover all the things. Yeah, it was super cozy and warm. I like the detailing as well. So I grabbed this. It was $19.99, and it's an extra large, and the brand is Jockey. And it's really soft. I won't dry it though, because it is 57% cotton. So we're not trying to shrink stuff. So I grabbed that. Oh, I didn't see that. In here, it's a different texture. I thought it was just, it's like a t-shirt material in there. I love it. Comfy. It's all get out. And then I needed pants, which was my whole, oh, I dropped something, which was my whole reason for going in there. And I'm tired of skinny jeans. I'm just over them. Like, I will wear them with certain outfits, but I'm just kind of over the skinny jeans, and I want some straight leg jeans. So I found these. They're called the Ella Vintage Luxe High Rise Straight. But I will tell you, they fit me more like a mid-rise. I have a video here, I'll put in a second, of me wearing them. What is on my foot? But I love them. They are, this is a size 12, 31. What? A 12. I just bought a size 12 pair of jeans. What? But they're vintage. They're a loose fit, and they're stretchy. The 14s fit, but they were just a little on the loose side. And if I lose any more weight, which I have plateau, which is fine. If I lose any more weight, they wouldn't fit. So I went with the 12. They're vintage. They're worn. I can't really wear ripped jeans to work. Now, we can get away with like frayed at the bottom, but no ripped jeans. But you see that? I wanted a straight leg. More like a trouser fit, right? And less like a skinny jean. These were $24.99. Says they're regularly $78, but I'm not sure in what universe they're that. These are Vintage Luxe, the perfect authentic denim with a lived-in feel. You'll never want to take these off. And they're right, I don't want to take them off. I'm actually going to go online and see if I can find another pair in a different wash, in a 12. I actually looked, oh, here, this is me wearing them. I actually looked in, I went back to the whole section to see if I could find another pair of the same pants in a different wash or color, like a lighter or darker, and they didn't have the same pant. They had some with rips, but I'm not allowed to wear those to work. So I got that outfit, and then I saw this shirt. I'm losing my clothes here. This shirt here, which was on clearance, it was regularly $19.99. I got it for $16. The brand is Danskin, I believe. Yes, extra large. I am telling you, I've never felt something so soft and squishy and comfortable. Like this shirt I will wear with my skinny jeans, because this is the type of shirt it is. It is like off the shoulder. It's a little big, but I don't mind because it's comfortable and it covers. But look at the back detail. it crisscrosses, but it's not open, which I like. And it's lower in the back than the front. And this is like a bluey purple. I don't know if it's coming across with the heathered. It doesn't have the thumb holes, which I'm okay with because I don't use them. My arms must be long or something because they don't ever fit me right. But here we are wearing it with the skinny jeans that I have on today for work because I just slipped them on. So yeah, I really enjoy this. So I can wear, this can be worn to work as well, you know, with jeans or whatever. So that, my friends, is everything I picked up today at Marshall's. I just dropped off two of the IKEA bags that I had purged. I took to Clothes Mentor to trade them in to see if I can get some money because a lot of those were like Lane Bryant clothes and expensive work clothes. So if I can recoup some of my money on those, some I never even wore, that's fine. If not, that goes right over to the thrift store and somebody else. There's actually a free store downtown. I might take it there where they take donations and then they give it to the homeless or whoever for free. There's no money involved for them. So I may take it down there. But if I can recoup a little bit of my money, that'll pay for what I need to go buy. And then I did order on Amazon a set, a pants and shirt set, like a coordinate set, short sleeved, but long pants, lightweight for like spring, summer, and to travel in. And then I got 3 t-shirt pack. I'm not sure what's going to fit me, but I got a 3 t-shirt pack. And then I got a, a little like cashmere short sleeve sweater, like a lightweight sweater for summertime to wear in like a mocha color. I'm really into mocha. I don't know why. But, oh, I'm wearing it. Apparently I'm very into mocha because the set is mocha as well. I don't know. All right, guys, I'll stop boring you now. But I hope you enjoy, and I will be back to my regular Dollar Tree content next week because, yeah, I deleted it. That's okay. That's all right. I will talk with y'all later.